Hello, today we're doing chapter 14, lesson 8, and we are going to be learning about triangles. And you already kind of have had a little head start on this because we have learned the names of our different types of angles. We know what a right angle looks like. It's 90 degrees. We know that an acute angle is a cute little angle, it's little, and an obtuse triangle is a beast, huge triangle. So it is bigger than a right angle. So knowing that, this should be pretty easy for us. So there are many different kinds of triangles. You can classify triangles by the measure of their angles. Okay, so let's look at this example. This sandwich is cut in half. Classify the triangle represented by the half sandwich as right, acute, or obtuse. Determine if any of the sides are perpendicular. Okay, so before we actually do this, we'll go ahead and then this is a really important part of the lesson, and these are always great to have this page. So a right triangle has one right angle. Okay, so it is going to be 90 degrees. How many right angles are there? Well, I see one. So there's one right angle for this triangle. And the two sides that form the right angle are perpendicular. They sure are. Okay. An acute triangle has three acute angles. Okay, so how many acute angles are there? Okay, well here, say that that's a cute little angle and that's a cute little angle. So there are two acute angles. Okay, and now let's look at this. An obtuse triangle has one obtuse angle. Okay, how many obtuse angles are there? Well, there aren't any here. We don't have any angles right on this triangle that are bigger than a right angle, so there are 0. So if I'm looking at this and I look down here, an obtuse has one obtuse angle bigger than a right. An acute triangle has to have 3 cute little angles, and a right triangle has one right angle. So this has one right angle, so this is you got it, a right triangle. Okay. Important information in those key concepts. Oh, here's another key concept. You can also identify vertices and line segments in triangles. A triangle has 3 vertices and 3 line segments. Each point is formed by the intersection of 2 line segments. So if we look at these, this is a vertex. Vertex is 1, vertices is plural for that, and triangles have 3. So triangles have 3 vertices. A, B, and C. Vertices A, B, and C, and they've labeled them here. Now the line segments are AB, right here, AB, BC, BC, and AC right here. Example 2. Classify the triangle as right, acute, or obtuse. We just learned those on the last page. You can look back if you need to check. Identify the vertices and line segments of the triangle. The triangle is let me see, well, I think this is acute, and that is an obtuse angle. It's not a right angle, so this triangle is an obtuse triangle, because remember, back here, an obtuse triangle has one obtuse angle. Okay. The triangle is an obtuse triangle because it has one obtuse angle. There are 3 vertices. Okay, and the vertices are L, M, and P. And how many line segments are there? 1, 2, 3. 3, and we need to list them below. So we can do LP, PM, and ML. Okay. So I'm going to at this time have you look to your teacher, and you can do these with your teacher. This is also a great question to discuss with your group, partner, or as a whole class.